guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to an Indian restaurant because we're here with my mom in Amsterdam. So it's our last day because we're gonna go. The sun is so bright, but it's so beautiful. We're gonna go to an Indian restaurant with my family, so my uncle and my aunt and my mom and me. So I'll keep you updated when the train comes. But yeah, we're gonna go to a meal restaurant, you know, where you can eat like an Indian meal. So that's where we're gonna go. So I'll keep you updated. But today it's so cold. Like it's so cold. That's why I'm so red. Cause just look at me. It's so cold. But I'll keep you updated, guys, when the train comes. So bye. Okay, so a train has to come. So we're gonna go in that train, and when we come to the restaurant, I'll keep you guys. Okay guys, I just stepped out of the train and we're gonna walk to the restaurant because the restaurant is closed, I guess. So yeah, the sun is shining so bright. It's so pretty, sun. But it's so cold when the wind comes. It's so cold, I swear you. But the view is so pretty. Just look at that house. Look at that house. It's so pretty. I just love Amsterdam so much. And look at the sun. It's -4 degrees. -4 degrees. Freezing. But yeah, I love it, and I'll keep you guys updated because I'm also gonna rate the restaurant. Because I'm not gonna eat a meal because I don't think I can eat that much. But yeah, I'm gonna rate it at the end. So watch until the end, and I'll keep you guys. Okay guys, now we're at the restaurant. Just look at that view, and I'm just gonna rate it. They are so pretty fish. There are fish in here. Look at the cute Christmas tree. Love it. Look at those fish. It's giving real Indian restaurant. It's giving, oh my god, my hair. It's giving real India. Look at that fish. Aren't those pretty? I love this fish. Yeah, we're gonna get seated, and my uncle already reserved place for us. So okay, this is the menu. I'm just gonna see what they have because I don't really like Indian, South Indian foods. This is the menu, so let's see what they have. Now we're ordering.
And then can we have masala dosa? And if you butter the boy, how young do you expect it to take it?
I'm gonna order this. Parota, churros, delicious South Indian fluffy bread served with mashed potato and curry. I'm gonna eat that. Look at that. And for the drinks, I'm gonna drink a mango lassi. That's what I always drink. So yeah. Yeah.
Saranya una. Have a nice lunch.
Thank you.
Brunch.
No, Belgium ki ready.
Sarvana Bhavan. Meals steril.
Okay guys, we ate and everyone just left to wash their hands. But I already washed my hands, so they're clean. And just look at the thing, okay? We ate so many. I'm just kidding. This is what I ate. Okay, that is it. And this is what they ate. Look at that. Crazy, right? I know, oh my gosh, so crazy. Okay guys, now we're going home. It's so cold, I swear it's so cold, and everyone's freezing right now. But now we're going back to home, and the restaurant was great. The food was yummy, very yummy, and my family really liked it. and so I rated 4 out of 5. Yeah, a 4 out of 5, a 4 star. So yeah, and when I get home, we have to pack things and then we gotta go because our bus is at 4:45. So and then we gotta go. So I'll keep you guys updated, and so I'll keep you guys updated when I get home, okay? Now we're in the train and we're gonna head to home. And look at the sun, it's shining again. But yeah, we're gonna head home and get packed. So I'll update you guys when we get there. Enjoy, have a nice day.
Cheers.
순도우산.
Det har du, jag har sett.
아시다 선정 아주 고마지들아 수야 라스야 쇼나야 고마디나야 아니 수절야 디 코드메니야 디 카마니 도라스타데
Камани каша это ло. Ау. 파스큐 어디 뒤가자. 파스큐 파. 이거 잠궈다. 까만 생겼어. 이거 잠궈다.
내가 뭐냐
가만 숨 쉬어.
건 까마니드다 좀
나는 인경이 다 됐어. 이거 잠궈다. Это поднёшки сюда. Ютуб. Чик. Ичир. Ютуб. Моя мучая кого-нибудь состав.
같이
Hallo, sen det ska det. Kanske kan man. Ni kär hallå. Kalle dora. Ta min då väl. Hur han inte kär.
가만히 쉬셔 할머니 가만히 있어서 할머니 가만히 쉬셔
하나씩 개고서. 너.
지금 저 하는 신발 장그라
No.
다 아재 bazım şu 아재 bazım der
Säkert kör i sjudo. Munne varale cuma şey mi?
사심
왜 장사?
응?
너무 잘. 정말.
Okay guys, now we're going back to Belgium and we're walking to our bus stop. So it's at least gonna take 25 minutes and we then only have 5 minutes. So if we're lucky we'll catch the bus, and if we're not then we're just gonna stay for like couple hours and then book another book another bus. So let's see if we're lucky. So now I gotta. Yeah, that will be.
No. Oh.